back up real quick. Let me write this down. Sorry, Chris. Sorry, TR. Sorry, Acura. Exec. Okay. 331. Okay, fantastic. All right, you guys. This is the start. Oh my gosh, he just pulled a Cal Ripken Superfractor. Golly, YG's hot today. Good for him. Let's go. All right, guys. This is the start of 2022 Bowman Sterling MLB one box break random division number 3 here on Mojobreak Media. My name is Tyler Typez, whatever you want to call me. Super happy to have all you guys in here. So it's random division. The 6 divisions of the MLB are the AL East, AL Central, AL West, the NL East, NL West, and the NL Central. All right, we're gonna show the randomizer. If the dice land on snake eyes, we default to 3. So if it lands on 2 or snake eyes, we default to 3. Best of luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the dice. All right, here's our divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Best of. Oh no, wait, it was 6. Yeah, right. It was 6. Yeah, okay, I don't know why I said oh no. Alright, there's 6 times. AL Central all the way down to the NL Central. Alright, now you guys, we're going to do it 6 times. The dice say 6 times. Best of luck to everybody. We will allow trades. Alright, we have, cool, Exec, Acura, TR, C, and then it's Chris twice. Cool. Alright, 6 times. Best of luck, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. TR all the way down to Acura Lakers. And I will show you guys. Alright, I'll get this up for you guys in 1 second. Let me make it bigger. Not that big. Sweet. Alright, there you go, guys. Here is, I'll highlight it. So we have the AL Central going to TR. We have the NL East going to Chris, and the NL West going to Chris. Acura Lakers is getting the AL East. The AL West is going to Exec Outdoors SVS, and the NL Central is going to Acura Lakers. If anyone wants to trade, feel free to do so. Put in the chat. I think it's your order number or email. And he pulled the Cruise Auto, dude. He is hot. Wait. Oops, I totally went back to. Oh, there we go. I totally went to streaming. All right, we'll give a few more moments to trade if anyone wants to trade. Oh, I said all that and I was on mute. I'm so sorry. All right, so it looks like Chris is open to trading the NL East or the West. We'll give it a few more moments as it looks like there is another viewer in here. Could possibly be TR, Acura, or Exec. If you're open to trades, we'll give it a few more moments. But Chris, you let me know when to rip since you are the one responding in the chat. Cool, we got someone else viewing. Cool, so maybe it's Acura, TR, or Exec. Guys, welcome in. The teams, I'll show it one more time that everyone got right here. The random divisions. So the AL Central going to TR, the NL East going to Chris, the NL West going to Chris, the AL East going to Acura, the AL West going to Exec, and the NL Central going to Acura. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. All right, I don't see anyone else, so we'll get ahead. Best of luck, Chris. Best of luck, Acura. Best of luck, TR. Best of luck, Exec. All right. Where'd I put my... Oh, there it is. All right, best of luck, everybody. All right, best of luck, everybody. All right, 5 autos in this break. We have a rookie, Matt Manning. It's a nice one for the Detroit Tigers. Rodolfo Castro. Rodolfo Castro for the Pirates. Is that the NL Central? Number to 199. Whoa, for the Mariners. Milcar Perez. Auto for the Seattle Mariners. Let's leave that one up. Rookie Elliot Ramos. Little refractor for the Giants. And Cal Raleigh for the Seattle Mariners. It's a fantastic autograph. Best of luck, everyone. Welcome in. Welcome in. All right, our 4th auto, or our 2nd auto. I don't know why I did. We have 4 left, I guess. But our 2nd mini box, 2nd auto of the break. Made that one. Let's go. Aaron Ashby. Ronzi Contreras. Oscar Colas for the White Sox. Chicago White Sox. That's sick. Gavin Sheets, rookie refractor. Jackson Kowar. Bryson Stott, rookie refractor for the Phillies. All right, let's see some. Let's see something. All right, we have mini box number 3 coming up. right, mini box number 3. Marks halfway point. Mackenzie Gore, Slam Diego. Juan Yepes for the Cardinals. And we have a mini diamond refractor for the Detroit Tigers. Christian Santana, number 2/150. That's awesome. Oh, wow. For the Twins, Brian Acuna autograph. Wow. Wow, that is awesome. Shane Baz, refractor, and Brandon Marsh, rookie refractor. Wow. Brian Acuna, that is nasty. The Twins are the AL Central, I believe. Let me see. Wow, so the Twins and the White Sox, AL Central, Brian Acuna and Oscar Colas. AL Central. TR. You're having a nice break right there. See, guys? Same division can get 2 autos. Alright, we're on mini box number 4. Now we're on number 4. Oi. Alright, Victor Acosta. Yoswar Garcia. Come on, this has got to be a big one. Dustin Harris for the Texas Rangers. Let's go into the AL West. Congrats, Exec. That's a beautiful auto. Alright. Chris, I got to pull something for you. The NL East and NL West. There's Novelli Marte. Anthony Volpe. Alright, guys. Final mini box. Best of luck to everyone. Really appreciate everyone in this break, too. Very heavy. Very, very heavy. It's been all AL, hasn't it? Alright, let's get some NL. Spencer Strider. Rookie. Vlad. Come on. Matt Manning for the Detroit Tigers. Number 2/199. And Colton Cowser. Holy cow, that's a huge one. But for the American League, once again, this was an AL break. The Orioles are the AL East. Congrats, Acura. Yeah, that's crazy. All 5 are AL. That's crazy. Colton Cowser, the Orioles. And our final 2 are Ellie De La Cruz and Isaac Pacheco. Well, guys, really appreciate everyone in the break. Go ahead and do a nice little hit parade. Dustin Harris, Texas Rangers. AL West. Milkar Perez, Seattle Mariners. AL West. So both of those went to Exec. Colton Cowser for the Baltimore Orioles. AL East. That is going to Acura. Brian Acuna, Minnesota Twins. AL Central. That is going to TR. Oscar Colas, Chicago White Sox. AL Central. That's going to TR. Thanks to everyone in the break. All cards will be all hits will be top loaded. All cards ship. Really appreciate all you guys in here.